Piece of cake. Meaning, something very easy to do. Sentence. The exam was a piece of cake. Fixing this is a piece of cake. Under the weather. Meaning, feeling sick. Sentence. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. He stayed home because he's under the weather. Break a leg. Meaning, good luck. Sentence. You'll be great. Break a leg. Break a leg on your big test. Better late than never. Meaning, arriving late is better than not coming. Sentence. I'm here. Better late than never. He finally finished. Better late than never. A blessing in disguise. Meaning, a bad thing that turns out good. Sentence. Losing my old job was a blessing in disguise. Missing the bus was a blessing in disguise. Call it a day. Meaning, stop working. Sentence. I'm tired. Let's call it a day. We finished the work, so let's call it a day. Cut someone some slack. Meaning, don't be so hard on someone. Sentence. He's new, so cut him some slack. Cut me some slack. I'm trying my best. Easy does it. Meaning, do it slowly and carefully. Sentence. Easy does it? That glass is fragile. Lower the box slowly. Easy does it? Get out of hand. Meaning, to lose control. Sentence. The party got out of hand. Fix the problem before it gets out of hand. Hang in there. Meaning, don't give up. Sentence. Life is hard, but hang in there. Hang in there. You're almost finished. Beat around the bush. Meaning, avoid the main point. Sentence. Stop beating around the bush and tell me. Don't beat around the bush. Say what you think. Get your act together. Meaning, get organized and work better. Sentence. You need to get your act together. Our team must get our act together. Hit the sack. Meaning, go to sleep. Sentence. I'm exhausted. I'm going to hit the sack. It's late. Let's hit the sack. It's not rocket science. Meaning, it's not difficult to understand. Sentence. Using this app is not rocket science. Cooking eggs is not rocket science. Make a long story short. Meaning, tell something briefly. Sentence. To make a long story short, we won. Long story short, I'm moving to London. On the ball. Meaning, doing a great job. Sentence. She is really on the ball today. You need to stay on the ball at work. Pull yourself together. Meaning, calm down. Sentence. Stop crying and pull yourself together. Take a breath and pull yourself together. The best of both worlds. Meaning, having two good things at once. Sentence. He has the best of both worlds. Working from home is the best of both worlds. Wrap your head around something. Meaning, understand something complex. Sentence. I can't wrap my head around this rule. It's hard to wrap my head around the news. Up in the air. Meaning, not decided yet. Sentence. Our holiday plans are still up in the air. The meeting date is up in the air. Bite the bullet. Meaning, do something difficult because you must. Sentence. I have to bite the bullet and go to the dentist. Just bite the bullet and do your taxes. Break the ice. Meaning, make people feel comfortable. Sentence. A joke is a good way to break the ice. Let's play a game to break the ice. Cutting corners. Meaning, doing something poorly to save time or money. Sentence. Don't cut corners on your homework. The builder was cutting corners, so the wall broke. Giving someone the cold shoulder? Meaning, ignoring someone. Sentence. My friend is giving me the cold shoulder. Why are you giving her the cold shoulder? Once in a blue moon. Meaning, very rarely. Sentence. I eat fast food once in a blue moon. He visits us once in a blue moon. Speak of the devil. Meaning, the person you were talking about just arrived. Sentence. Here is Mark. Speak of the devil. We were just talking about you. Speak of the devil. The last straw. Meaning, the final problem that makes you quit. Sentence. Losing my keys was the last straw. Being late again was the last straw for him. Through thick and thin. Meaning, through good and bad times. Sentence. They stayed friends through thick and thin. I will support you through thick and thin. Your guess is as good as mine. Meaning, I don't know. Sentence. Why is it raining? Your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine to regarding the score. Spill the beans. Meaning, tell a secret. Sentence. Don't spill the beans about the party. Who spilled the beans about the surprise?